Hello everybody and welcome your faces back to your favorite crypto jet. Now today we're going to be talking about Theta. You may or may not have heard of this coin before. Essentially what it is, it's a decentralized video sharing platform. So what are these guys trying to enable? Well, two simple things. The first one is a very cheap transfer of data on the internet and a very efficient transfer of data as well. So basically you can transfer huge amounts of data, so 4K video, 8K video, whatever you want, for a very, very low cost and a very, very high speed. Now that speed actually destroys YouTube, but YouTube has actually said good things about this project because there is likely to be a cooperation or something with them in the future, because obviously YouTube wants more power and these guys need big partners. So in general, the project is quite a good one. Now, looking at the technical side, we can see a strong level of support almost at the $4 mark. We can see the chart being kind of bearish until this point right here, where we actually started picking up some bullish momentum. Perhaps we can draw out a little trend line to depict that very situation. Now, if we move on to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it has been apparent that this trend line has been broken out of. So if we plot it out very nicely like this, we can see exactly 3 touches, 1, 2, 3, makes my trend line quite a nice one and a big break. So we broke out and then we've been moving bullish ever since. Now keep an eye out for this neckline right about here because if we do break out of it, we might actually retrace down into this zone once again, perhaps before the market continues in a bullish fashion. So take care when trading coins such as this one, because they're very volatile. The market cap is not too high, and in general, my analysis is bullish. However, there are a few factors that point towards the downside. Now, one of them is the RSI indicator. What is the RSI? It's the very simply relative strength index. So as you can see, the price is in an uptrend right here, right? But the relative strength index is actually decreasing throughout this whole time. So you can see a high and then a lower high and then lower, you know what I mean? So that means that bullish pressure is decreasing, hence why I drew this line right here, because if we do break out of it, there is a possibility of forming something along the lines of this formation into the next zone of support, which would be somewhere around down here where we had this previous rejection. So that would be the 5.5 or something dollar mark, after which we either bounce off the support and start moving bullish again, or we create a bearish continuation pattern, which could be a flag or something, so to speak, like this, before we actually break out and keep moving downwards into the next level of support, obviously this one down by the $4 mark. Now that would be it for Theta for today. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe to the channel, leave a fat like for me. I will appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one, guys. Adios.